This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? We are in the garage now because it's too cold outside. But I'm back here with Sondre Hugos from Bilkomponenter. And today we just want to find out something. You know, we have the sexy dash here ready. But when I tested it last time with Marcus, I was kind of complaining about the way it might reflect on the windscreen. And I might have a solution for that. Actually, I came up with this idea, and then I think actually Enhance guys, they were like, yeah, maybe. But we're gonna test it out now. So let me show you now. First, if you guys haven't seen it before, it's coming. If you pre-order, you will get it in February. Oh yeah, by the way, Sondre, did you get many orders in Norway?
We have a few, yes.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah. So people interested.
And did they visit your place and check it out?
No, I just I haven't like marketed that we installed your dash in my car.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
to test it out.
But it's, you know,
I have shown it to some customers, and the ones who have seen it have ordered it.
oh, nice.
So that's good.
So in Marcus Model 3, we put it here. But then this is also interesting. Now we have it there. And you see, when I'm sitting here, I'm trying to give you a kind of, this is usually my perspective, right? Then it almost becomes like a head-up display, a poor man's head-up display. But the problem is once we turn off all the lights, you see with all the lights off, then I see that reflection. But it's only when it's pitch dark outside, and we even don't have any, well, I don't have any lights on the car on, but normally it would be maybe something like, what is it, like this, right? Ish, or I'm not sure. Maybe if I put the car in park lights, we need to get out in the dark place and test this. But just to give you an idea, okay, ish, you might see some reflection there. Well, I'm not sure how much it is, but I think we're just gonna prepare the filter and then we go out in the bush and test this. And also I can show you here that, you know, this is just like a pre-production and not everything here works perfectly yet. But here you have the brightness. So if, Sondre, if you're gonna adjust it, you see that we set it to 40%. There is an auto slider there, but it doesn't seem to be working. So if you, yeah, if we do this and this, it doesn't auto adjust, seems like. But okay, whatever. I think I'll just set it to 40%, what we had there, right? And then it seems to give okay, my OCD wants it to 40 there. Seems to give okay brightness for the night we're gonna do. Okay. You see, now we're taking out the dash, and if you just connect it to a USB source, but you know, this is probably just because this is the pre-production. It will just default to some kind of demo mode. We have something here, but no data, obviously, because it's not getting the data from USB-C. But anyway, so here's my idea. So you can hold this for me, please.
Yes.
This is a privacy screen thingy from Claes Olsson. It's just 300 NOK. It's actually quite thick. So the idea is that, how is this again? If you put it, no, it's supposed to be for a horizontal screen, which means that if you put it like this and you tilt it, and you rotate it side, oh shit, I got it. It will block it, but we're not going to block that one. We are okay. We are looking for this direction. So let me see if I do this, and then if we tilt it that way, but just hold it so we don't lose it. So it's supposed to then block it,
Yeah,
right?
Black.
And that's the whole idea. So I see now that it's not big enough, but whatever. I brought this and this. You see how this is going? We will just cut it and then test it in the bush to see if it makes any difference. So I guess it doesn't have to be perfect fit, right? Just make it ish like that, just eyeball it. Oh, the Tesla is doing something now. Okay, yes, okay. That should be good enough.
Yeah, that's good.
And then I guess we just bring it with us.
Yeah.
But I want to test something.
Yeah.
You see here, just to demonstrate now. So if we do this, then it doesn't change much, right? But if I go, the whole idea is if you go down, and then if you rotate this, there it becomes black and block it, but there it doesn't. So the idea is that if you have it on this setting, right, roughly there, it should block the reflection, but then you can decide, the passenger can even see it, or you can even see it. Because now we are approaching the regular dark place where we do the headlight test. And we have Nokia and Hakkapeliitta R3 here, so if you guys hear that howling noise, it's just from the tires.
So sorry.
But now that we have some street light, I can see the reflection. I think even the, I'm gonna check, let's check on the cam. Yeah, I think it should be visible on camera. And the problem is that it has this double thing because of the front windscreen is laminated. So when I had cars in front of me, I could see that thing constantly. But I guess it depends how tall you are, or how, yeah, it also depends on that. But Sondre, can you see it from there?
Oh yeah, it's
You see it?
it's clear to see, no problem.
But this position, though, I should mention it. It's nice. I like it. It's like a poor man's head-up display. It's very close to your vision, anyway. The only problem is that reflection. But now let's see. This is the real deal. When you actually go in dark roads, and also when you, let's see, wait until it's pretty dark now. If I fire up the high beam. Well, you have LED bar here also.
Of course.
Shit. Okay, can we just do more normal? There.
Yeah, there you are.
Okay. It becomes so bright. But typical scenario, we have regular headlights on, high beam. I can see. Wait, huh?
You flashed too many times.
Oh wait. Oh, huh? Wait. Oh, is it? Okay, this is Tesla lights now.
Yeah.
But I can still see it there. So let me just there's oncoming traffic, right, or something. Oh, it's really, oh, that is strong lights.
Oh, it's
it's a salt truck. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, but now in the dark side, yeah, I see it. I still see it. I still see it. And if I drive on dark roads all the time, I would get annoyed by that. So now let's see. Let's find a safe spot, and then we put on the thing. Okay, you wanna? Yeah.
You can turn it off.
Keep it off to show you. Whoa! Look at that. Huh? It's a big difference, right? So it actually just, the reflection basically just disappears when you put on this filter. Okay, yeah, we can't cover the whole thing, but at least like there-ish, you see that? And then if you take it off, let me try now. And then if you take it off, huh? Ancient Chinese secret.
Yeah, it disappears from me too.
Oh yeah.
So I can't see it when you put it in front.
So let me see if we can just. Oh, it's just a little bit too small, but okay. If you just put it. Wait, let me check something here. Will the touchscreen work now? No, the touchscreen now is kaput. Well, it kind of works because this thing is so thick. Okay, let's just tape it on then.
Yeah.
Okay. It should stay there. Yeah. All right. Let's see if I can just wait.
You want another one?
I think that's okay.
It's okay.
All right. Should be fine now. Just so it doesn't fall off or anything.
Yeah.
So now, whoa, that's a huge difference. Okay, maybe let the traffic move a bit. And then we try again. Dude, this is so much better. This is so much better. It's like night and day. Because now there's no reflection at all. Yeah. That really did the trick. Okay, so this filter just happened to be really thick, but Sonder, you mentioned something about this main screen has a filter also, right?
Yeah, it does. It has put a matte glass on top of it, but it works just fine, no problem.
But do you guys also sell or you don't sell the privacy filter on the Tesla?
No, I haven't. Actually, I've never seen one.
Oh. But I just wonder why it is so thick. If there should be something that is thinner.
I think maybe the problem is that you can't like glue it on, because this one that's on the screen is quite thick as well. But of course it glues itself to the screen with some, it's not glue, it's some kind of oil or something, I don't know.
But I bet there must be, I'm pretty sure, there must be a privacy filter that fits an iPad, for example, or a tablet.
Yeah, you can get one on your phone, and the touch still works. So
exactly. So this is just proof of concept, but I have to tell you guys that it's a huge difference, because now it is. Well, I can kind of see it briefly, but that's because it's not perfect fit. Actually, what I see, the reflection tends to be the edges that we can't cover.
Yeah, it's the same from my position. I can.
So, well, I guess it's safe to guess that Enhance will be watching this video. So I can say, well, Anton and the Enhance guys, this works. Great. And then I just want to see now. We were the high beam on, but let me see. Okay, what kind of LED bar is in?
This is a Lumen CS20 Performance.
Oh, it's a performance version.
It's a performance for the performance car.
Since we are here, we need to do the farm inspection.
Oh yeah.
Boom! Oh, it's still pretty good. Okay.
Yeah.
But is this a lot cheaper than?
Oh yeah, it's a lot cheaper. It's around, how much was the other one? It was around
12,000.
11, 12, yeah.
Yeah.
And this one is, of course, on sale as well at the moment. But this one is around, I think it's 6,200 kroner.
Half the price.
Half the price.
But
so, and it's, yeah, you can see the light is a little bit colder.
okay. Well, you don't have the yellow light
No,
here.
you don't. It's only one kind of light on this one,
But it still shines wide and tall.
yeah, it's a good one. We sell a lot of them. People choose it because it's a bang for the buck.
Yeah,
It really is.
Wow. And okay, some people mentioned earlier that the laser didn't shine wide enough. I think it was more like we didn't have any place to test how wide it shines. Right?
Yeah, probably. This one is supposed to be a little bit narrower. Not much, but a little bit. But still pretty wide. So,
Yeah, but okay. Well, I have to say it's also quite good. But okay, let me see. I just want to check now. We need to not drive too slow, but I want to get over to the street light and get the impression of the screen. That's what we are testing.
yeah, that's what we're testing, not a LED bar.
But even now, okay, now we have some street light. They are kind of dim, but this is LED actually. I still don't see anything there. I think it shouldn't change when we have more street lights.
No, it works really well.
Yeah.
It does.
Okay, over here, and then fire up the LED bar. Well, okay. Well, a quick review of the LED bar. I'm also quite impressed. It has good spread, and also it doesn't shine too low. I feel like the old laser Elite had shine too low.
Too low, yeah. Yeah, I think this one as well is it's manufactured to be placed low, so it doesn't shine too much light on the road.
Yeah, that's good. I like it. I actually very impressed.
It's actually a Norwegian product.
Oh,
Of course, maybe not made in Norway, but designed in Norway.
designed in Norway, manufactured in China.
Yeah, I think so.
PRC they call it.
Yeah.
But okay, so also over here, no reflection.
No.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's good.
Yeah, no, this is good.
Yeah, it's great. Great idea.
Yeah, and then I guess we can just quickly try to peel off the thing now. There, and then, yeah, this should be quite quick. Okay, hold it.
Yes.
Okay, I see it now. Yeah, now it's back. Even with street lights, it's back now, and it's I immediately get annoyed by that thing. Yeah. All right, but anyway, I think that's pretty much it. Interesting, and then we will see what's gonna happen with Enhance. Yeah, hopefully they do something with the final product, because I don't know what you think.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Because many people would place it here.
Yeah, I think a lot of people place it there because it's actually quite nice to have it there, as you already mentioned, and I haven't tested it so much at night, and I haven't never been in the passenger seat, but I can see that I see it even more now from this position.
Yeah, and now that I tested putting it here where it blocks the air vents or forward, I actually like the forward position better. The only minus is that but you're not supposed to do the touchscreen thing.
No.
Yeah, it would be far, but I think once everything is set up, you can do it from your phone. But maybe you shouldn't do that while driving, but yeah. So then, yeah, I think that's a good position, better position than here, because here the problem putting it near the steering wheel is that the steering wheel blocks for it. And then also if you have different people right at your place.
Yeah, we tried it, and when I put it where it did fit for me, it didn't fit for my son.
Oh,
so then the steering wheel got in the way for him.
And then how did he solve it?
No, then when we had to raise the steering wheel, if we were supposed to put it there. And I actually talked to Marcus as well, and he said the same.
Yeah, and I also had the same experience that when we put it, blocking air vents, I had to put the steering wheel higher than I normally want it, which could actually lead to more strain to the shoulders.
Oh yeah.
But now, actually now I have to put it a little bit lower because I'm a small Asian. But Vikings, they can see this just fine.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. If we turn off the lights. Yeah.
Gets even worse, right?
Yeah. But I'm not sure. Maybe I have it kind of bright. I forgot to mention it. Is that I put it on? Okay, let me turn on this. I put it on 45% because the filter steals some light. But we can try something else if you put it to, let's say, 0%, and the lowest possible. I can still see it though.
Try putting this one in front now.
Oh, okay, then it's going to be literally... Oh,
it still works.
But it becomes darker, the whole thing becomes darker.
A little bit darker.
But I'm just going to give it a little bit, the last thing. Yeah, okay, what about, you didn't test that. Well, okay, if you have it in the lowest setting, I still see it. Yeah, I'm not sure about you guys, but I mean, I still see the reflection. As long as I see it, then it's going to annoy me.
Yeah, I can still see it from my position.
Yeah. Okay, so that's it. Filter on, and then all good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, but that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later. And of course, big thumbs up to Sondre and Bilkomponenter for testing this out.
No problem.